For this question, the graph of a quadratic function given here, ax squared bx plus c, where a, b, c are constant, they are passed through 3 points. So obtain the system of linear equation to represent these given informations. So when it's passed through these 3 points, means that the point of x, the coordinate of x and coordinate of y can be fulfilled into this equation. Therefore, for question A, for the point -2, -10, when we substitute into the equation, it is supposed to get -10y. So A is unknown and x is -2 squared. So when we simplify that equation, we can get 4a minus 2b plus c equals to -10. So this is our first equation. Meanwhile, for second point, 1,8, y value is 8 and then x value is 1. So when we simplify, we get a plus b plus c equals to 8, second equation. Then for the third point, 2, 6, y value is 6, x value is 2. Simplify and rearrange the y value here at the right hand side. So these are the 3 linear equations to represent the information. Then for question B, they ask us to write the system of linear equation in the form of matrix. So where x is our unknown a, b, c here. So for question B, when you want to write in term of matrix, means the coefficient here will be our element. It will be 4, -2, 1. And then second equation, 1, 1, 1. Third equation here will be 4, 2, 1. So time with our unknown, which is a, b, c. Given that our right hand side answer is -10, followed by 8, followed by 6. Then for question C, so we can see that this is our metric A, this is our metric unknown, this is our metric B. So this is how we represent our equation in the form of matrices. Then for question C, they ask us to find the determinant for the metric A. So the determinant of metric A. So refer to this metric A, our element 1, 1, A11 is 4, then we're going to find is minus 1, 1, minus element of 1, 2, -2, then minus 1, 2, then plus A13, which is 1, minus 1, 3. So this is our A11 minus 1, 1, A12 minus 1, 2, A13 minus 1, 3. So how are we going to find our minor? We're going to eliminate first row and first column. So we will have 1, 1, 2, 1. So for this vertical part, copy and paste. So for this one, the first one, we go to the last one. And then you can see vertically, what's the number here? Vertically is 1, 4. Then we can start calculate minor, which is AD minus BC, 1 minus 2. And 1 minus 4. Then 2 minus 4. So in total, -12. Then we go for question D. By using Cramer's rule, solve this metric equation. So in order to solve our first unknown A, what does it need is we're going to find the determinant for the metric by eliminate the first column. So we eliminate this first column, we put in our answer, -10, 8, 6 to find A. When you want to find B, we eliminate second column. When you want to find C, we replace this third column by our answer. So find its determinant and divide by the determinant of metric. So this is how we find our unknown A. So for B, replace our column 2 with our answer. Divide by determinant A, where we find in questions C just now. So meanwhile, for finding unknown C, it will replace the third column. So we're going to find this determinant. Repeat A11 minus 11 minus A12 minus 12, then A13 minus 13. So minus 11, row 1, it gives you 1, 1, 2, 1. Copy and paste. In and out vertically is 8, 6. So divide by the determinant that we have find for the metric, which is -12. So simplify this minus. AD minus BC plus 2, 8 minus 6, and then so 16 minus 6 divided by -12. So totally we have -2. We move on for unknown B. So repeat again, we're going to find this determinant. Element 11 minus element 12 minus, then element 13 1 minus over -12. Row 1, first column, copy paste, in and out, vertically 1, 4. Simplify this. AD minus BC divide by -12. So we can get 4. Then we go for C. A114 minus A12 Class A13 negative 10. So what is your minor here? It gives you 1, 8, 2, 6. So 8, 6. Copy and paste in and out. Vertically here, look on here, 1, 4. So simplify. So finally, we can find our unknown where A is negative 2, B is 4, and then C is 6. So this is how we solve by using Cramer rule. Hence, question E, write the quadratic function by the answer that we have found and determine this graph have maximum or minimum value. So for part E, the quadratic equation here is negative 2x squared, B is 4, and then C is 6. So look on our constant A here is negative, so less than 0. This is a maximum case. So what is maximum value? We have to completing the square for this quadratic. So for negative 2, we factorize out. Then we do the completing the square, x put in the bracket square. For this second term, b divide by 2, which is negative 1. Whatever the value that you write here, we minus back square. Then lastly, negative 3, copy only. So simplify this value. Minus 1 and minus 3. Total minus 4. Then we expand back the negative 2 that we have factorized. So expand the square bracket. So we can notice that our value outside here is 8. So therefore, for this quadratic, it has maximum value which is equals to 8. So what is important here? For the first one, 2 marks. This is how you get how you substitute your y value, x value to build in these 3 equations, 2 marks. And then write the system of the linear equation in terms of matrix. So this is how we see your concept and answer. Then finding the determinant, concept formula and answer. Then using this, solve our metric equation using Cramer's rule. So this is for the concept for finding A, answer, concept for B, answer, concept of C, and answer. So finally, state up. Lastly, we completing the square to find out maximum volume, maximum value. Okay, writing mistake here. This should be value of 1, not value of 4.